Good afternoon, everybody. Kirk Kameg here, SVP of Global Service Delivery at Qualligence. Just wanted to take a moment, as somebody who's been in the industry for 17 years and talk about a topic that, is so hot in essence in what we look for every day when we're recruiting and in what we're trying to do and looking for top talent. It's the topic of diversity and what it means to hire diverse talent, and if you think about it, as the world goes even more global with each passing day, it's up to us to identify all of the different diverse talent that's out there, right? And diversity means different things to different cultures and to different people. I think it's so important to recognize not just, what makes a person diverse, but who they are, right? So one of the things that we continue to see in our industry is, and I know this is, working with so many of our legacy clients here at Qualligence and working with so many of the clients that we've had for decades, the need to identify more and more diverse talent is just becoming so prevalent. And it's sometimes having to slow the client down to say, look, are we looking at all the factors we need to be looking at? And what does diversity mean to you? How and where can we help you to diversify the slate and consider everything, not just the diversity, but the actual individuals, right, that you've got on your plate at the time. Whether you're, overseas in Europe, or you're in South Africa, or you're over in Hawaii. The candidates are everywhere, the talent is everywhere, and it's so fun to help clients find that talent. Identify the people that they didn't know had the experience that they needed that might be halfway across the globe. I think it's such a fun experience to see a client light up when they have a diverse slate of candidates that represents the entire world, right? Every single one of us is unique and has our own set of talent to bring to the table. So I felt it was important, to draw a highlight to the fact that you're not alone in looking for diverse talent, but to slow down and look at the whole person and not just look at one subset, right? And look at everybody that exists that's at the level that you're looking for and in the function that you're looking for. So if you have any questions on diverse research or any questions on some of the diversity initiatives that we do here at Qualligence to serve and support our clients, I'd love to talk to you about it. I think it's just a topic that today has become so key to rounding out an organization and taking the organization into the future. So I look forward to talking to anybody that I'm working with on any of the projects that we've got going on, current, past, or future. Look forward to talking soon. Take care.